Subject Stat Pro. Chapter Steel Structure Design. Topic Create Geometry of Simple Truss. Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a geometry of simple truss. For that, just open a new project. Go to truss frame. You can create as space frame also. If your joints are welded. If your joints are pinned, then you can go for the truss. Okay. If the joints are welded, then go for space. If the joints are pinned, then go for truss. Name as simple truss. Location, length unit is meter and force unit is kilonewton. Next and finish. Look at this. There is a truss. First one. Length is 4 meter and height is 2 meter. So how we create this geometry in a software? Take a front view. Click on 0. Then go up to 4 meter length. Then go to the 2 meter height at the center of that particular beam or that particular member. Then go to the 0. Geometry is created. Now you can assign property. Go to general, property, section database. For the steel structure, we have to select section from section database. In section database, there is so many steel tables. First one is American steel joist, Australian, Brazilian, British, Canadian, Chinese, Dutch, European, French, German, Indian, Japanese, Jindal. It's an Indian company, Jindal. Russian, South African. Then Tata Structures. It is also an Indian company, Tata Structures. In Indian market, Tata Structure steel from Statpro is available and Jindal steel is available, and all the Indian sections S shape, I shape, M shape, W shape, T shape, channel, angle, tube, pipe. Okay, so we prefer to assign a section from Indian standard sections. We have a different chapter for the assignment of section, support and loading in the truss. In this lecture we will learn how to apply or how to create a geometry of different trusses. It's our first truss. Just go to dimension, display. Look at this. These two members have a dimension of 2.83 meter and height of this truss is 2 meter. The length of bottom member is 4 meter. Now for the second truss, open new project. truss 2, next, and finish. Take a front view. Now we have to edit this grid because we have a 5 meter length beam, and at 2.5 meter we have to create this particular node. So just go to the edit, and the spacing will be 0.5 meter in x direction. Okay, click on 0, then click on 5 at the 3 meter height and 2.5 meter length. Just click on it, then click on 0. Close the grid. Look at this. We created a geometry of bottom member 5 meter length and the height of truss is 3 meters. And the height of truss is 3 meters. Now look at this. From the midpoint of all the member, we have to join one another truss. For that, select all the members, go to insert node and add midpoint. Okay. Then take a beam cursor. Take a add beam function and join all the midpoint nodes. Look at this. We have created this geometry. I repeat it. Select all the members, go to insert node, click on add midpoint. Okay, all the midpoints are created. If it is not visible, then press shift K. Okay, then go to add beam, or you can go from geometry, add beam from point to point. And join all the nodes where you want to create members. Right? Geometry is complete. Go to display for the display of dimensions. It's our truss. Okay. Open new project. For the next problem, we have to create first 8 meter beam or two different beams of 4 meter. Click on 0, then 4, then 8. You can also create a beam of 8 meter and insert a node at the midpoint of that beam. Okay. What is the height? Height is 3 meter. Go up to 3 meter at the center of that particular member. 3 meters. Then come to the 4 meter. Then again go to 3 meter height at the center of that particular member. Center is at 2 meter, okay, because the length of your member is 4 meter. So center is at 2 meter. At the length of 2 meter, you have to go 3 meter height. Then again 0. Close. Go to add beam and add a member between these 2 points. Our geometry is created. Like that you can create all the simple geometries in StatPro software. For the dimension, go to dimension and display. all the dimensions are displayed. Now look at the next problem. We have 9-meter length beam and height is 3 meter for the truss. So first go to the software and it's your task. Okay, you have to do is first go to the software. First go to the software and edit the grid for 0.5 meter spacing and increase the segments up to 18. Open new project. Edit spacing will be, okay, let's take 1.5 and increase the segments for 18 meter. Okay, on 9 meter, it is a 9 meter. Click on 0, 3, 6 and 9. Go up to 3 meter height. Again go up to 3 meter height. Like that you can create this particular truss. Just undo. If you edit the grid for 0.5 meter, increase segment up to 18. Look at this, there is 9 meter. Go to the 0, 3, 6, 9. At the center 4.5 and 1.5. Like that you can create a particular truss. It's very simple. Just try to do all the trusses by yourself. Thanks for watching this.